Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the latest project that I have been working on Unity 3D and AR Foundation, and I'm also including a few machine learning model using MediaPipe and TensorFlow Lite. So I'm just going to describe some of the UI that I have designed using Figma, and I'm also going to show you a prototype that I created using Unity 3D and MediaPipe with TensorFlow Lite. So let's get started. So basically this is going to be the landing page of the application. The name of the application is Arrowfeed. This is a bit typical login screen with some user informations, and user can log in using some other platforms as well. All this data is going to be saved into the Firebase Firestore, and the all the connection of the other exercise database is also going to be inside the Firebase. So all the login information is also basically derived using Firebase. Then we have some other screen to show that what will happen if there is any wrong password or things like that. And this is the main home screen when the user successfully log in to the system. First of all, we have this stories. This is going to be the story of the people that you follow. This is going to be a social media kind of exercising application powered by AI technologies. So user can look into other people's profile, see how did they do in the last week. They can see their leaderboard ranking, and this will always give them a motivation to work harder and do more exercise. So this is basically kind of gamifying the whole process of exercising. The next section here, we can see that we have a continue workout and recommended for you. This is basically a few section that we borrowed from the workout section. So user can also see what are the workout they have been doing, and they can continue from there from their home screen. They can also do that from the workout section. In the workout section we have some other exercises as well, so they can click on the exercise and then directly go in there that particular page to do the exercise. And like I said, there is a leaderboard in the right hand side that will show you your position, and you'll see other people as well who are doing well. So yeah, so this is the current progress of the UI. Not much there in the other few parts here. I have focused this 1 month free trial for marketing purposes for the application, although it's not available anywhere in the market yet. It's just a passion project. Anyways, so yeah, let's take a look into the prototype that I created using Unity. Okay, so this is the prototype that I created with Unity. So here we are basically detecting the bones using the BlazePose network that Google recently introduced. I used Unity and C# to use the TensorFlow Lite library with MediaPipe. And basically what the system is doing here is that the neural network is detecting all the joints, and based on the joints I have the lines, and using the lines I can calculate the angle in between a particular bone, right? So that is how I am calculating the if the user is basically getting the reps right or not. And that the in the down of the screen you can see that there is a reps count, so we can know that like how many times the user has a successful reps or not. And there should be other data as well that is going to facilitate the user to get a rank in the leaderboard, right? So yeah, so this is just a beginning. I am adding a lot of other stuff in here. All this data is going to be inside Firebase. So in the remote config there should be all the particular values that we're going to need to detect a particular particular exercise, and there should be about 30 exercise in total on the application, and as well as there should be the social networking part that we are implementing. So yeah, so that's all about it for this one. I'll keep updated on this part, and I'll see you in the next video.